I have a strong opinion about how to sharpen pastel pencils. And I know that sounds trivial, but there seems to be a lot of controversy about this topic in the art community. A normal pencil sharpener like you might use with a graphite or a coloured pencil, or other specific types of sharpeners like the manual crank handle sharpeners that other artists recommend, are not the best option for pastel pencils. I've tried most sharpeners that have been recommended to me, and every single time the blades go blunt quickly, which then causes the pastel to break inside the sharpener, which means you're constantly fishing out broken pieces of pastel and wasting a huge amount of pencil in the process. I've also wasted a lot of time fixing, cleaning, and maintaining pencil sharpeners to try and get them to work well with pastel pencils. I've reached out to some of the main brands that make pastel pencils, and they all actually recommend using a blade or a craft knife or something similar to sharpen their pastel pencils, which is also my preferred method as well. Faber-Castell specifically told me that their pencils contain quartz sand, which damages pencil sharpener blades really quickly, and then those blunt blades causes your pencils to crumble and break very easily. In some countries, you can easily buy replacement blades for some of the more popular sharpeners, which does sound like a solution, but there are still other problems besides blunt blades. Even if you have sharp blades all the time, you still run the risk of pastel crumbling and breaking because handheld or crank handle sharpeners can create those jerky motions or uneven pressure and be generally rough on your pastels, and it's very easy to accidentally sharpen your pencils for too long. With a craft knife, you're only removing the wooden casing and you're not wasting any of the pastel itself. There's also minimal risk of your pastel crumbling and breaking because you can be gentle with it, and it's pretty quick once you get the hang of it, especially considering you'll be saving time by not messing around with trying to get a pencil sharpener to work correctly. Also, pastel pencils aren't really designed to keep a sharp point like a coloured pencil or a graphite pencil. And if you're aiming to create a similar style of artwork as me, for 95% of your process, you really don't need a super sharp point. I tend to use the edges or the sides of the tip if I need a slightly sharper line. And if I do need a very fine point, which is rare, I can use a little bit of sandpaper to gently sharpen it a little bit more. So stop wasting time and money and use a craft knife to sharpen your pastel pencils.